Good afternoon, everybody. We are here. My goodness, I thought Jerome Powell was gonna, trigger the end of the world here, but he did not. He actually triggered a rally. So we'll talk about that here in a second. But we've got Pudgy first in the chat. PS5, Shiba Daddy, Chris, Paul Wright, Dark Matter, Shiba Daddy, Paul, Nick F. Good afternoon. PS5, Chris, Nick F. Lucky's Thoughts, PS5, Chris, Johnstown, PS5, Shiba Daddy, Mr. Simon, Nick F. Mr. Simon, Shiba Daddy, Chris, Mr. Simon, Shiba Daddy, Chris, Mr. Simon, Tim, Shiba Daddy. We lagging? We lagging? No, we're good now. Shiba Daddy, Tim, Mr. Simon, JB's back. All right, perfect. Nick F, Shiba Daddy, PS5, Tim, Mr. Simon, Caesar, and Jan. What's going on, everybody? Let's jump over to the market and see what we got going on there because we have AMC back in the green, 3.17% higher, sitting at 14.48 at the moment. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 11.28. GameStop 33.76. QQQ sitting at 306.93 right now. Look at this afternoon rally, and now it's coming back down. Did Jerome Powell actually talk? I don't know. We must be time for a sell-off. Guys, this market, I really don't understand what's going on with people these days. It just bewilders me. Up 4.28% at the moment, and was up about $1.50 more over here. Wild gains in the NASDAQ today. NASDAQ currently sitting up 4.10%. Bitcoin. GameStop up 4%. BR Therapeutics down 0.10%. 3.14% higher for AMC. Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all higher, with Ethereum up almost 10% right now, shooting all the way back up to the $1,600 level. My goodness, this is not normal. Shiba Inu coin bouncing back up on the daily to 11.25 right now. And Bitcoin back up, getting ready to retest these $23,000 levels on Jerome Powell's back. I guess riding the only thing good that the economy's got going on right now, and the fact that people aren't out looking for work. I mean, that's the only thing that Jerome Powell thinks is good, but it's because they're not looking for work. That's the reason we've got low unemployment. Sundial basically at break even today, sitting 0.66% higher. We've got Mullen Auto at 87 cents. CEI sitting at 38 cents. The SPY up 2.5% today, hitting some new recent highs, guys. The SPY is absolutely rolling. BBIG 81 cents. Highcroft Mining 97 cents. Netflix sitting at 227, up 6.25% today. My gosh. Redbox down 13%, getting hit pretty hard today. Clovis $1.71, Boxed $1.94, Revlon $4.78, Luna Classic gonna retest the 10,000 point per coin level, and of course QQQ sitting at 307, like we just talked about there. Massive gains throughout the afternoon, incredible to see. We'll watch and see how that plays out, and then we'll switch over to Bitcoin here in a second. But my goodness, let's see what we got. Click, your video is cutting out. Can't see you. You can hear me though, right? Oh my gosh. What is happening with my video? What is happening with my video? Let's figure out what's happening with this stupid video. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, opening that back up. Yeah, this is going to be necessary. And let's see. My goodness. All right, let's see if this works. Nah, it's still lagging like crazy. Still lagging like crazy. I don't know what's going on, why it's lagging like that. I have no idea what to say. We might take the video off here in a second if it keeps lagging and messes me up. We hear you. Perfect. All right, Pudgy. Mr. Simon, thank you. Just can't see, but you can hear me loud and clear. Good deal, Henry. A video is fine. I don't know if the video is necessarily fine. The video on the Weeble might be fine, but not me. Clay Broken. Yes, that is me, Dindy. So we came in right where everyone thought. So we go back to where we were before the dump of the news and wait till the next meeting for the next big up or down. Arthur, yep, man, you're starting to learn. I don't understand why this video is cutting out the way that it is, but yeah, you know what? And just to say that, we might look we're just sitting right here at this level of resistance. Just because we had good news today doesn't mean we don't bounce off this level tomorrow and start to trend back lower again until the next meeting. You know, they increased interest rates by 75 basis points today. If we get the August inflation data coming out it's the July data, but if we get the August report and it's 9.5%, people are going to start expecting another 75 or 100 basis point increase. And I absolutely believe that can be extremely bad news for the market. So I don't know. I really don't know what these people are looking at. If anybody has some insight into what Jerome Powell and these guys are looking at that is such great news, let me know. Let me know, because I don't see it. I don't see what they're looking at there. Nonetheless, man, 4.5% gain in the NASDAQ today. Incredible. Shiba Daddy, you knew it, man. You got it. There you is. Heck yeah, voice no emails. They ignore me questioning too. It's Pudgy. Probably can't pay anybody. They probably can't pay anybody. They're just a ghost of a company now. Hey, what the heck is happening to GoPro? Chris, what is happening to GoPro, man? GPRO, let's check it out right now. GoPro sitting at... Well, what's it doing right now? 5.19% higher today. Not bad at all. GoPro sitting here at $6.18. Decent day. I don't know if they've got earnings coming out or what the deal is, but moving higher right now along with the overall market because everybody is excited about what Jerome Powell just had to say. Am I excited about it? No, honestly, I'm not excited about it. But look at crypto running today. Mara is up 22% at the moment. My gosh, anybody that was getting into Mara a couple weeks ago, $5 is ruling right now. Absolutely ridiculous, these gains that we're seeing here. And it's all because of Jerome Powell finally coming in and not even giving us good news, but the market reacting positively to what Jerome Powell has to say. Any farmy news? Brian, I got no farmy news, man. Lagging, but we got weather coming in. I don't like when weather comes in. I like sunny. I like sunny weather. That's what I like. Brian, farming's a bit. Yes, it is, and it will take all your money. That's why I sold farming at a major loss, and here we are today. Still alive, still rolling. Farming hasn't been spoken about in a while. Outdoor Smile, you are right. It was been like 2 days since we talked about farming. Let's see here. Guys, thank you. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to share that Discord link again just in case you guys do want to join in on that. Where do I find it? Where do I find the Discord link? No. I don't even know where to send the link at. All right. How do I invite you guys? I don't even know where to invite you guys. M. James! Oh my gosh, M. James. Hold on, I got you, man. I got you. I gotta figure this out too, how to invite you, but it's a lot harder to go upside down here. M. James, man. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Thank you very much for the super sticker in the Jerome Powell live stream earlier, man. Haven't seen you in forever. M. James, man, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. We are back, and I'm sorry that I'm lagging. No idea why it's lagging like this, but we're going to go back to the big Weeble screen just so it's not as bad as it looks. And, okay, that is JB's Discord link. I like it. You weren't on camera for that. Try again. Dude, I tried my best. I tried my best. Where do I find that, though? JB, what did you click on? I don't even know what you clicked on, man. No. I don't even know what you clicked on. Channel settings. Invites. Maybe. I think that's me. Yeah. Got it. Got it. All right. Sweet. I'm going to post it. And look, I'm actually thinking about doing a little competition here too. Maybe win a bro shirt or something like that. Let's see where we're at here. Oh no, I want All right. Join the free Discord. All right, cool. Now we're going to pin it. All right, good deal. All right, join the free Discord. Guys, I will hit you with an ad if we don't get to 50 likes by about 4:15, so make sure to click the like button. Join the free Discord if you want. Sorry that the video is lagging, but here we are. So far, we have seen invites from Dark Matter, JB, and Remy. Here's what I'm thinking, and I want to know what you guys think about this. We could do some sort of a Discord invite competition because this is beautiful. Where are we at here? Let me see this. No, not BitTorrent. I want to see... I don't know. I don't know, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, can you guys see this? Yeah, look, you can see how many people were invited by whose link. I'm thinking maybe we do some sort of a competition here to see who's able to invite the most people. And obviously, I'm not in the competition. But if you're able to invite the most people to the Discord, maybe by the end of the week or something, you win a bro shirt. What do you guys think about that? You want to do it? Yes? No? Maybe so? Let me know what you guys are thinking on that, whether or not you want to do it or not. If you do, well, shoot, we can make it happen. It seems easy enough to track there. All right, Streamlabs, no. This one, I think, is what I want. Okay, cool, back on that. Wait, before you do a Discord invite competition, we need to set up a bot check. Otherwise, bots get into Discord through the invite link. Ooh, we don't want to do that. We need to set up a bot check. We need to do that. Pika Power will win the competition. She will, and she'll get a free bro shirt. Hey, would DraftKings be something good to get into? Heard someone had 45,000 in it, but heard some bad things about DraftKings. Crypto racket. Win 1 cent. Boom, baby, dabbing on them as always. DraftKings, look, man, I really don't know anything about the sports gambling. What is it, King? No. I don't even know what DraftKings symbol is anymore. DK and G. Gotcha. DraftKings, I believe, has been hit pretty hard. Yeah, DraftKings has been hit very hard. And coming back basically down to where it introed at here. I don't know if this was a SPAC going public or not. Let me put it this way. With this chart right here, Chris, with this chart right here, you are at a major level of support in this $10, $11 area. So, honestly, probably not a bad time to buy if you do believe in, if you do like sports gambling. I mean, they've been massacred since the end of 2021 here. That's obvious, doing nothing but coming down from $60, $70 a share back in September, October of 2021, and sitting at $13 a share right now. If you believe that online sports betting, whatever DraftKings does, is going to thrive over the future, I say go for it. They probably had a very good 2020 with everybody sitting at home and people gambling and betting their stimulus checks away while they have nothing better to do because they're working from home. So I'm sure they had I'm sure that fed into their nice run here, taking it up to $75 a share from $10 a share. But nonetheless, man, it is at a very strong level of support. I just don't know enough about the industry to really have a thought on that. And you are right. Somebody said now it's time to dump off. Yes, now we come back down. Now everybody gets back into reality after the nonsensical run that we had from basically 2:30, 2:45 throughout the afternoon here, thanks to Jerome Powell. So maybe people are finally coming to their senses. Dindy, thank you for the... Thank you very much, Dindy James, for the super sticker. Really appreciate that, man. When MOAS? Soon, Pudgy. The MOAS is always tomorrow. DraftKings is legit. Outdoor Smile likes it. If Outdoor Smile likes it, I like it. Man, the red is setting in on the QQQ now. Coming back down 0.5% after hours. Going to be a tough afternoon. When Crypto Rocketeer? There you go. Boom, baby. When Crypto Rocketeer, dabbing on them, as always. One day, fun day, Monday, someday, MOAS. Exactly right, man. Probably will have it on a Monday. We have a decline in AMC. Man, GameStop getting hit pretty hard after hours here. AMC, this doesn't even look like a MOAS candle. This looks like a legit candle. Trying to come back down to $14 per share after hours. So, yes, now we are experiencing the sell-off that we should have experienced during the press conference. Dark Matter, man. I got you. Oh, man, I hope I don't get stuck on this. Dark Matter, you take the banana. This is called the lick and stick. You tilt the head back a little bit. You lick it. You stick it. Dark Matter, thank you very much for the super sticker. The camera's lagging right now, so I hope I didn't get stuck somewhere that I shouldn't have been stuck. Dark Man, thank you very much for the super chat. Read my last. Yes, Kalani, I got you, man. Kalani, go up to Kalani. Yo, everyone, Clay, if you could sit down with Jerome Powell, what 3 questions would you ask? Like, if I could just sit personally with Jerome Powell? I don't know, man. Honestly, if he believes, just one question, man. If he believes the stuff that he says, like I understand that he's got a duty as Federal Reserve Chairman to talk the way that he talks, but just one question. That's really one of the questions that I would ask a lot of people out there. Do you actually believe the stuff that comes out of your mouth? Do you actually believe the stuff that you post, the stuff that you talk about? Like, if you actually believe it, might be slightly concerned. If you're just doing it because it's your job, all right, man. I don't know if that makes you a liar or what it makes you, but nonetheless, I really want to know if he actually believes that the current labor market is strong enough to... I don't even know the word I want to use here. Strong enough to support such a contraction in spending. I mean, he's putting a lot of emphasis on a labor market that I don't view as strong as he does. When Moon, better question. When Pooh? Pooh always, man. Pooh always. Rush hour. JB, man, be careful in traffic. Everybody hates traffic. And here comes that dump you were talking about when we started. Arthur, yes, man, that's what we're seeing right now. We got the QQQ sitting at 305.30. Bunch of red candles already dumping 1% from 308.50 to 305.30. It's a 1% decline. We've got some pretty big wicks on the downside for AMC. GameStop, yes, bouncing back up right now. But nonetheless, guys, it is looking a little sketchy out there, so just be careful. Nobody understands the words coming out of my mouth. Yeah, okay, that one. That is from Rush Hour. I thought you said you were in Rush Hour traffic right now, but you are correct, man. That is from Rush Hour. Nobody understands the words that are coming out of your mouth. Yes, do it. I know 3 people and have like 3 friends. Next level. There's 3 invites right there, man. We could make it happen. Seriously, NASDAQ 4.3% is just ridiculous. When Crypto Rocketeer, it's beyond, like, I guess if you define ridiculous, this is a very strong word. Yes, I agree with you. But it's an obscene gain for nothing. It's an obscene gain for literally the markets having expectations met, but bad expectations. Very weird, you know? He avoided that recession question like the plague. Yes, he did, man. Yes, he did. Yeah, that's the thing. You know, I'm making the camera smaller so you guys don't see how bad it's lagging for whatever reason. And it doesn't, like, trip you guys out because it's kind of tripping me out right now. But it is true, man. Some people, I don't know. I don't understand why they just want to address the questions. You know, you could talk around questions all day long, and I could sit here and talk around questions too. Maybe it's because he's in a position of much greater authority than I am, and if he does adequately address the question of a recession or something, it could have catastrophic effects on the market. But I mean, as a human, he's like, why not just address it, man? I don't know. That's the part I don't understand. I'm making your welcome cards for people who forget you did something good for them. Nate F. Awesome, man. Thank you, I think. Nate F, Nick F, related, might be brothers. They say what people want to hear, Clay. It's all subterfuge. I don't even know what that means, man. Smoke and mirrors. Okay, hopefully that means smoke and mirrors. If he said what he really thinks, there'd be chaos in the streets. Yeah, Frodo, that's what I'm saying. That's kind of what I'm thinking. You know, it's like it's his job to be Federal Reserve Chairman, so he's kind of got to. And look, I'll say, too, right, that I'm going to sit here and I'm not going to start some riots in the streets or in the chat. And I do feel some level of responsibility to keep things civil and stop people from arguing and stuff like that, too. But I don't know, man. I feel like I feel like I field questions a little bit more realistically than some people do. What's the Discord for, Clay? Well, Crypto Rocketeer, at this point, it's for absolutely nothing other than conversing and stuff. Having a place where people can go message and things like that. I do want to, my goal, at least as of right now, is to spend less time on Twitter with all of the hate and just like putrid behavior that I see on a minutely basis out on Twitter. And I believe this would be a better alternative for what we've currently got out there. So if you want to join. If you don't want to join, at least at this point, you're not missing out on anything. Everybody hates traffic. I love traffic, man. There you go, Simoninho. Meta after hour dip. My gosh, dude. How is Meta down any further than it already is? No. What? I thought the symbol was still Facebook, no? What the heck's the ticker symbol for Meta now? I thought it was... This is what we're looking at here? I guess so. I didn't realize I thought it was still Facebook. Man, and Meta down 3% after hours right now. Not a major decline. They are bouncing back a little bit off $158. Do they have earnings today? They may have released earnings, but we just don't see them on Weeble's news yet. That would be my assumption as to why they're dropping like they are right now. Oh, man, we've got negativity coming in, but I invited everyone in the chat already, so I'm automatically in the lead for the t-shirts. Still waiting to be the Fall of 72 birthday shirt, but I guess that was just an April Fool's joke. Nah, man, your birthday's an April Fool's joke. Give me an ad. JB, it is 4:15. If we don't have 50 likes in here, you guys are getting an ad. Discord is much better than Twitter. Mustang Matt. At this point, I think, like, I don't use Discord, but I do think that everything is probably better than Twitter. We're going to figure out how to use the Discord here. Powell needs to be up front. Stop messing around. Let the market dump, and the economy will follow. And then we'll be back, and then we'll break inflations back and move on. They're just prolonging the pain. William, some people rip the Band-Aid off. Some people try to leave the Band-Aid on forever, man. I agree. You know, it might be and that's the thing. Well, rip the Band-Aid off. You know, we bring the economy down a little bit. You're going to have half the people out there mad. We leave the Band-Aid on and try to stabilize the economy while bringing inflation down and prolong the pain or whatever. The other half of the people are going to be mad. Nobody's ever going to agree on anything. It's ridiculous. What was I just going to do, though? Oh, I was going to look and see if I need to hit you guys with an ad. 49 likes. You guys. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. I don't understand when you guys will learn. The truth can be scary. That's why adults sugarcoat things for children. But these guys don't trust people to act like adults. And so don't tell us the truth no matter how scary. Truth will set you free. And you know, listen, I do agree with that, Frodo. Sometimes if you're talking to a child, 100% agree to you that you can sugarcoat things, okay? If there's a bad storm outside or something and you got tornado warnings and there's a tornado that's literally passing down your front yard, you know, you're going to tell your kid that everything's going to be fine. You know, you might sugarcoat things. It's just to calm them down, to make sure they feel safe. And as an adult, you don't want the weatherman telling you, well, go outside, man. It's nice and sunny. It's beautiful outside and nothing to worry about here. And meanwhile, you know, you're getting golf ball size hail, baseball size hail, blowing your windshield up. Nobody wants that. I mean, you do need some level of respect and can handle the bad news. But yeah, I 100% agree, man. You don't need to freak a kid out. Dan Clay said my birth was a joke. Chris, man, I didn't do it. I didn't make your birth a joke. You're the one that decided to be born on April Fool's Day. Like, I can't help that you decided to do that, man. Chris, your mom's saying the same darn thing. Hit me with another one. JB says, bring it on, man. Bring it on. Give me another ad. I dare you. Well, I will give you another ad at 4:45. If you guys don't get up to 75 likes, you're getting hit with another ad right in the face. If all the crap going on won't force the hedgies to cover, what happens once we come out of the recession / not recession? Chris, that in my opinion is the best shot we have, okay? You're right. There's a lot of people out there that tell you the market conditions being terrible are going to be great for shorts covering because they're not going to have the money to cover their shorts and all of that. Like, I understand the theory. I disagree with it. I think prices in AMC going up or prices in these stocks that they're shorting going up is most likely to cause the most pain for them. Now, it's one thing to have the prices going up, but if they know that they can bail out at literally any time they want, if they want to bail out and days to cover is 1 day, where's the risk for them? You know what I mean? Like, where do they feel the pressure at that point? If they're losing money and they're losing hundreds of millions, billions of dollars on AMC, which they were when we were running back up to $70 per share. Volume was massive, though. They knew at any given point they could cover if they wanted to in a single day period. Now, if we start to run up again and the hedge funds are losing billions of dollars, even if they're making money on the other shares, and they risk losing tens of billions of dollars, you know, the dollar amount doesn't necessarily matter that much. But if they know they're going to be stuck, if volume and nobody's trading, and volume is so low that they realize it might take them a darn month to get out of their shares, at that point, it's not just their problem to worry about. Their lenders are going to say, you guys are idiots. You know, you dug yourself into this hole. You better start getting yourselves out now because you are not risking our money. So that to me is a better indicator of a potential margin call than just the price going up or literally the market crashing and going down. I really like the idea of low to no volume and a high price. I know it's counterintuitive, but it absolutely can happen. You can have very minimal people buying and the price goes up, just as long as you don't have the people selling. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. How much do you spend a year on unnecessary things? What do you consider unnecessary things, man? Minimal. Let me just say minimal amounts. I typically spend on necessities. I really don't spend on unnecessary things. So I don't know the dollar amount. If anybody else has an easy dollar amount in there, let us know what your guys's are, but unnecessary things do not rank very high on the spend. Outdoor Smile, thank you for the unnecessary super chat. Really appreciate that, man. We need to buy a bounty coin. The hedgies will feel the pressure, I promise. Tim, I'm going to have to tell Danger that you said that, man. I'm going to have to tell Danger you said that. He's going to love the idea. Just want to say thank you for teaching me some things on your videos about the market. Very helpful. Soars, man. Thank you for being in here. Really appreciate that. My mom is dead. So your jokes suck. Oh, Budgie. Sorry, man. I'm sorry. If it's true, I really am sorry. The evolution of money is here. Let's run, folks. I spend money, 30% of income on investments every week. 5 to 10,000. Kalani saying 5 to 10,000 on unnecessary things. Hey, not a bad amount, man. Oh, gotcha, Clay. Long story short, back to the buy and hold game. Chris, well, listen, that's if you're in for the short squeeze, yes, that's the game for me, is the buy and hold mentality, man. And the buy and hold is kind of the best to trigger the short squeeze because I truly believe in that low volume. All right, let's see here. We're doing good. We got 48 people in the Discord already, guys, and this is launch day. Thank you guys very much for clicking that Discord and joining the free Discord. Durka. Yep. Ipsolink is partnered with DAO Maker and Polygon. Ipsolink has been pumping lately. Fam! Very nice. I don't know what coin that is, but very nice. Nick F, did you join the Discord? I can guarantee you Nick F does not have a Discord. Guarantee you he doesn't. There's no way. Okay, so if I'm looking at Discord right now. And the online people, I'm online, Simon's online, Crypto Rocketeer, Daniel, you guys are online. You guys got phones. And then some of you guys got green dots. I assume you've got a green dot if you're on your computer, because I've got a green dot. Some of you guys, Frodo and JB did have one. Frodo's got a moon. What does the moon mean? I don't know what the moon means. I don't know what the moon means. Somebody changed their name to Nick F in there. There's no way it's the real Nick F. I highly, highly doubt that it's the real Nick F. There's no way. Would Webull and Robinhood be the same risk as Coinbase? So Kalani, in my opinion, no. And here's why. These brokers, they're not out there and like taking your money, taking your deposits and lending your money out. That's the main risk for hedge funds or for these crypto exchanges, is what they were doing is they're taking our deposits and lending them out as their own money. So essentially we lend them our money and then they lend it out hoping to get an even better interest rate from these cryptocurrency hedge funds. And the fact that these cryptocurrency hedge funds lost a lot of money and they're not paying them back is where the main problems arise. Now, Robinhood and so on, they could run into problems if the SEC doesn't like that they're listing cryptocurrencies that are considered securities. They could run into problems there. But as far as like what they do with our money that would have caused them to leverage and come into problems, no. I would say that the actual stock brokers deal less in that, and that's where the hedge funds come in and cause the problems that we're trying to squeeze out right now. Later in the last run up to 72, volume was huge because of synthetics. Without the synthetic shorting, we would have run way higher than 70s with less volume. Yeah, Frodo, I mean, you know my thoughts on synthetics. I don't think that they're necessarily that high, but I understand that concept there. The volume being it a billion shares that one day would definitely look drastic and bring in the idea and concept of synthetics. Moon just means you're AFK. Okay, so you're away from your keyboard if you've got the moon. I got dark matter. I've got a moon now. Okay. I've got a moon. Simon's got a moon. Dark matter's got a moon. Frodo's got a moon. Nice. Dang, man. You guys are really teaching me a lot. Heck yeah, thank you. Moon means you're probably sleeping. Crypto Rocketeer. Gotcha. You're AFK. You're probably sleeping on your keyboard right there. Crypto Rocketeer, thank you. Moon means I'm idle. Okay. You're idle. Next level's idle. I'm idle. Simon's idle. Yeah, we're all idols right now. I like it. Just so everyone knows, Shiba hit $2.50 in the year 2046, and I married Juana. Thank you. Sam Demand from the future. Very nice. 2046 sounds like a great year, dude. Let me ask you this. Would any of you guys, if you knew that Shiba was going to hit $2.50 in 2046, would you still hold it? Or if it hits your dollar, maybe in 2035, do you get out? I'd say you might get out. I'd say you might get out at the dollar because you're looking at 150% gain if you hold it to 250 from that point. You might be able to do better than 150% gain over a 10-year period. I'd say you could. Maybe not on that type of money, but I'd say you could. Would you guys still hold? Gosh, what is that? 24 years from now. You still holding? Bradley says I'm going to be dead by then. God. Can't send GIFs on the Discord. Dude, I don't know if you can send GIFs or not. I've seen some people sending GIFs on there. They show up as links for me. Please tell me there's no like button in here. Next level. I have no idea if there's a like button in here or not. In Discord, you get me, man. But in the future, 100,000 will be worth $100. Yeah, Mr. Simon, that's your thing right there. Inflation's going to run so wild that, yes, 2046, we are trading at $2 per share, $2 per coin on Shiba Inu coin. But inflation has run so wild that $100,000 is now $100. We've 1,000x'd our inflation. My gosh, 1,000x'd our current worth. Ridiculous. I hope my grandkids cashed out. Next level. I like it, man. 2046 grandkids coming in with $2.50 Shiba Inu coin. Take my chances with Tectonic. 6,000 to get 1.2 million. If you buy some now, it's about 25,000 worth. Very nice. Tectonic Def. Heck yeah. I'll be dead AF at 250, but I'm trying to build generational wealth. So my name is remembered. Tim, I love it, dude. Generational wealth does not come easy, but I'm going to tell you this right now. Dude, don't lie to yourself. $1 million is generational wealth, man. $1 million is generational wealth. Conservatively invest that. It's 7 to 10% a year, just in the market average. Dude, all of a sudden, you're generating $100,000 a year income for the rest of eternity on $1 million. That is generational wealth. $100,000 a year, $70,000 to $100,000 a year is absolutely able to pay bills and generate that freedom and that liberty that people strive for. I don't even like thinking on how long we have to hold AMC. It feels like we're holding it for 24 years. Yes, it does, Chris. It feels like AMC is just a side thought now. Like it's in your portfolio and you're not even worried about it because we've been in it so long. It's just a part of our life. No GIF. Oh no, Crypto Rocketeer sending them. I see that right there. AMC Trappers in the Discord. I like it, man. I like it. I don't know if AMC Trapper's in the live stream, but he's certainly in the Discord. American Idol. Well, Moon Idol. Terra Luna Idol. Darn hidden again. Time to make an account. Shiba Daddy's making multiple accounts. When wrenched. No ignore. Pudgy. Let's see who else we got on the wrenches, man. Let's see who else we have on the wrenches that we haven't seen in a while. I can pull that up. I think I can pull that up. This one. Ooh, you know who we have not seen in a very long time is Marine Corps Brat. We did just see Mr. Enormous. Grandpa Barney should probably stay wrenched. Eric doesn't come in that often. Ooh, I don't know about Miss Marine Corps Brat. Marine Corps Brat and Eric's not in here very often. Interesting. And if we didn't see Mr. Enormous last week, I'd be saying, ooh, Mr. Enormous. Ooh. I don't know about Mr. Enormous. But we did just see him. What are you guys thinking on that, man? I don't know. Yeah, she went MIA. Natalie's gone too. Chris, it's true, man. I haven't seen these people in a very, very long time. Chris, but what would life be like if we didn't have AMC to watch every day? It's more of an addiction than at this point, Tim, it's like a way of life, dude, for real. JB, you guys are talking, instead of talking in the chat now, you're talking over here in the Discord chat. Now I got to read 2 chats? Come on, man. Now I got to read 2 chats? Why are you guys doing this to me? Was Isa Wu the many worlds? Isa Wu was the many worlds guy. Yes, Isa Wu is the many worlds guy. AMC Trapper is a TMI follower also. Yes, very good. Marine, it doesn't answer messages anymore. I hope she is doing fine. Listen, I hope everybody's doing fine. Marine Corps Brat has been MIA. Yes, she has. It's interesting, Pudgy. I wonder what we're going to be doing about that. Tim Wrench, no ignore. Please, thank you. You guys are ridiculous, man. I can't give everybody wrenches. Come on. Sure did cost me. Yeah, I don't know what did. Oh, many worlds. Yes, dude, it cost everybody. And Natalie and Lauren are surely not mods. Well, Lauren's perma-modded, but yeah, Natalie's name was on there, man. Crypto Racketeer, Natalie's name was on there, and Marine Corps Brat's name was on there. Bones 2022, let's make it happen. J-Bones says, vote for me, mod 2022. I've not seen Cookie in a long time either, man. Hey, bro. Robert, what's going on? I'm also transparent trading. This is just my other account. Chris, gotcha. All right, good. Now, how was I supposed to know that? Transparent Trading's got another account. Dude's name is Chris. I like it. Sorry, I'm trying to confuse myself. You didn't confuse yourself, JB. Otherwise, you'd be over here in the YouTube chat. I see what you're doing. Guys, a little recap. What's going on after hours right now? Not a lot of action. We've got AMC sitting at $14.41 after hours. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $11.32. GameStop, $33.75. We've got the QQQ down to $305.95 after hours right now. The NASDAQ had a phenomenal 4+% gain today. BioTherapeutics Therapeutics down 0.5%, AMC down 0.5%, Ethereum, Shiba, and Bitcoin all doing very well on the day. Ethereum back up 10% today, above $1,600 a coin. Sundial down 1.29%, Mullen basically break even, CEI break even, SPY break even, BBIG break even, Highcroft break even, Netflix down a 1/3%. Redbox down 1.28%, Clovis down 1%, Box down 1%, Revlon down 0.42%, kind of barcode in here after hours. Luna Classic sitting up 5%, and like we say, the QQQ dropping 0.29% after hours right now. Let's watch Bitcoin into after hours, see if you got anything going on there. Hey, bro, what's going on? No ignore, man. Never ignore. Lottery Stocks is the name we haven't heard in forever. Lottery Stocks. Yeah, that's a good kid. I like Lottery Stocks. HD Cams guy. Heck yeah. He hasn't been in here in forever. Wouldn't it be hilarious if I modded him too? Naked guy for a wrench. Heck yeah, let's make it happen. I remember you would go on at 8 a.m., 6 a.m. my time. I don't know if I ever went on at 8 a.m. I remember going on at 9. I don't remember going on at 8, though. E aí, mano? Jameson. E aí, como você está? Eu espero que você está bem. Who are permamods at the moment? Well, Crypto Rocketeer, you are until you leave me, but we definitely got Lauren permamodded. I don't know if Lauren's ever going to get her mod status taken away. Clearbro, how is Sam Demand number 2 doing? We haven't seen him in 5 months ago to occupy our channel. We have seen many unanswered questions. No ignore, please, thank you. The Sam Demand number 1. Sam the Man number 2 should be doing okay, but you're right. We got so many Sam the Mans in the chat now, I don't even know who's who. If Shibarium sucks, I'll sell in 2021, all-time high. If Shibarium works, I'll sell when it gets to a penny. But to be real, there's more projects that can bring wealth than only hoping for Shiba. 222. Dois. You're exactly right, man. You're exactly right. I do think that Shibarium will work. I mean, I think it's going to be a decent layer 2 blockchain. But you're right in the aspect that if it doesn't work or if it's not well adopted, I mean, there's nothing wrong with hitting a 10x gain from where we're at right now and making 10x on your money. Let's see. We got some dogs in here. Trapper permamodded. Nick F permamodded. A nice. Jameson. Simon too. Sounds like everybody's permamodded at this point. Crypto Rackets here. No more Temper Wrench anymore. Everyone is perma wrench for now. Take that wrench away if I want to take that wrench away though. Let's see. Anybody else joining? Drinking problem. Nice. Remy just showed up. You guys joining the Discord. Really appreciate that. We have 51 people in the Discord already, so don't be afraid. It is a free Discord, guys. Just a place at the moment to hang out. If you guys got any ideas of different channels you want to see on the Discord, make sure to let me know what you guys would like to see in the Discord there. But if you do want to join, right now it's just for free, just a place where we can all hang out. So make sure to check that out and click that link if you guys do want to join the Discord there. It's not like a paid Discord or anything like that. Voyager news. How about the Fed? So I don't have any new Voyager news. No. Federal Reserve. So the Federal Reserve had interest rates, and they increased interest rates by 75 basis points today, 0.75%. The Federal Reserve is just basically looking at the labor market. I don't think they're looking at anything else. They're looking at the labor market and they see 3% unemployment rate, which sounds great. But for some reason, they're overlooking the fact that we're still, people are still trapped in some sort of a 2020 C-word life. And they don't want to go back to work. And they're not searching for work. And that's one of the reasons that the labor market looks so good, is that people are they're not returning to work. So I don't understand why the Federal Reserve ignores that the way that they are, but they're ignoring it pretty significantly right now. So they're living in their own beautiful green grass meadows with sunshine and butterflies that are flying around. So they give a positive outlook today, man. Let's see. Saw that. It was good to see. Something Coinbase. Saw a little green today. I still have hope. Huáscar Perez, man. Look, I still got hope for Coinbase, but I don't know if they're going to be getting any better anytime soon. Let's see here. What? Hey, Clay Bro family. Papa Lion, what's going on, man? Thank you for no ignoring Sam the Man number 1. Yeah, absolutely. Indiana is about to have a massive boost of unemployment to do the RV industry. Bronson, what's going on with the RV industry in Indiana? AMC back to 16 come Friday. Let's get it. Pay Slayer. I hope so. This is Justin Ryoshi. Is actually Clark Kent, who's actually Bruce Wayne's uncle. I don't doubt it, man. I don't doubt it. Ryoshi's a hard one to peg down on who Ryoshi actually is. The real question, if the upper class Stokes like LV said their stocks went up, upper class stocks, like Louis Vuitton, so their stocks went up, sales were still good, but Walmart went down, us normal folks feel it. Your thoughts? Okay, if the upper class stocks like LV said their stocks went up, sales were still good, but Walmart went down, us normal folks feel it. Your thoughts? Yeah, okay, so I think I follow the question there. And that is an absolute possibility, right? That you continue to see luxury goods makers and luxury travel companies or leisure companies continuing to perform very well, because what we've got going on right now with inflation, it affects people no matter what your economic status. And clearly, if you spend a lot of money, you're going to be spending more money, regardless of how much money you make. You're spending more money right now. What inflation affects less, or who inflation affects less, is somebody who lives well within their means. So it's not necessarily that people who shop at Walmart aren't living within their means. But Walmart, it's not like you're going to see Elon Musk going to Walmart and participating in purchases there. So if you're watching luxury goods makers continue to thrive and Walmart fall down, I do believe that part of what Jerome Powell says is true, that people that are typically lower on the economic scale or lower on the economic ladder do get hit harder because it's more difficult for them to live well within their means. I mean, if you make enough to get by and prices are rising, it's going to be harder to get by. But if you're living within your means, regardless of whether you make $30,000 a year or $300,000 a year, you're going to be fine. You can like, not stomach, but you can absorb those increases in price without feeling the added stress of the increases in price. So that's kind of my thoughts on that. Elon gets curbside delivery. Yes, he does, man. Elon pulling up to Walmart in his Tesla grabbing curbside delivery. I don't know, man. I wouldn't doubt if he does, but I don't know what that guy's got going on. Tomorrow's going to be a very red day, in my opinion. If it's not, then I'll be confused as heck. When crypto rocketeer, I'm already confused as heck, man. I'm already confused. We should have kept the GIF somewhere else instead of the GIF bar because we know how much you hate bars, Clay bro. Yes. I don't even know what a GIF bar is, dude. I don't even know what that means. Is that Discord lingo? Is that Discord lingo that I don't know about? Joan de Jesus, welcome back, man. Joan de Jesus. I haven't seen you in a while, man. What's going on, dude? Is AMC Trapper happy? AMC Trapper, Sam Demand number 8. AMC Trapper is always happy. You're right. I own 25 trucks and made $2 million last year. My profit dropped by 40%. Tectonic death, man. You know, that's the thing, right? And I don't know your situation and how much within or without of your means you're living right now. But like I say, dude, it doesn't matter how much you're making. What you're paying is definitely going up right now. Now, if you had those 25 trucks and you were already stretched as thin as possible prior to inflation, you know, it's killing you right now. Doesn't matter if you've got 25 trucks or 2 trucks. It matters how much you can actually absorb. Mr. Simon, you are a mod now. Congrats. Joan de Jesus has not been here in quite a while. How do I perma-mod Justin? You gotta stick in the chat, man. You gotta stick in the chat. Best way. Same man number 8 now. How many emails do you have? With the money you save in ramen noodles at Walmart, you can buy more Shib. This is true. Pathway to leadership. This is absolutely true. And I don't even know. I haven't looked at ramen in quite some time. Are the prices of ramen inflating as well? Like, what's a little cup of soup cost these days? Or a little packet of ramen? Those things are probably $1 now. They used to be like 10 cents. Been taking time off of stocks. Daily swings burn me out. Joan de Jesus, trust me when I tell you that I feel just as much, and I'm not trying to like say, I feel more than you. I feel just as much, if not more than you, man. I know you guys look at this stuff all day long, but so do I. And then I have to sit here and speak on it all day long as well. And if you don't think that I've been experiencing losses alongside you, I absolutely have. So, dude, I feel the burn. I feel the burn too. 39 cents where I am. Papa line. There's no way one pack's $1. Dude, if one pack's $1, life is over. Big Christmas for Shiba Inu. I absolutely hope so, Ronaldo. If we can get 100 Sam Demands, then they can all click the like button. Remy, facts. Sam Demand number 8. AMC Trapper. We're all clones of Sam. Oh my gosh. Sam number 8 to the cop you late yourself for Sam 3. Costco hot dog is the last stable coin. How much does a Costco hot dog cost? I don't even know. Can you see how often we come to the chat? No, Justin. I unfortunately can't see how often you guys like leave and then come to the chat or or how often you spend in each live stream. It doesn't give me like broken down statistics for individual users. The best that it gives me are like demographics, and then it shows returning users, but it doesn't show who returns. It just shows like returning users in general. Stuff at the dollar store is now $1.29. Dude, that's not even like... They have to change their name. They're going to have to rebrand themselves, because if they continue to call themselves the dollar store and everything's $1.29, it's fake news, man. It really is. Why were the dogs named Rolex and Timex? Because they were watchdogs. But when Crypto Rocketeer, nice, man. At the dollar store by me, ramen is $5 for $1. Tim, that's actually not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. $5 for $1. Well, $5 for $1.29 now, it sounds like. But it's actually pretty cheap, man. The thing is, how many bags of ramen are you going to be eating? You guys only eat one? Because a ramen is kind of like an order of chicken nuggets from McDonald's. Literally does nothing to satisfy hunger. It does nothing at all to satisfy hunger. Sam Demand's parents have a one name for all 8 kids. Sam Demand. Arizona Iced Tea and Costco Hot Dog, the only 2 stable coins that are out there. Best hot dogs are at AMC Theaters. Pudgy. Promo and AMC. I love it, man. Fresh account. Shiba Daddy. Nice. Wait, did you see what happened today with XYO coin? I did not, me bro. We were talking about XYO coin a couple days ago, I think. And it was doing very well. But what is going on with XY? No, I don't know if we talked about XYO or not. Wow. XYO coin gaining 80+% today, guys. 80+%. XYO jumping up to 1 cent per coin after trading, yesterday at a half a cent. So 0.6 cents is what it was trading at yesterday, and currently sitting at almost 1.2 cents. So beautiful 90% gain over the last 24 hours here. Awesome to see. I did not see that until you just pointed it out. When take my date on the AMC Theater, no ignore, please. Pudgy, this evening. True that, Pudgy. I forgot about those. Pudgy, best hot dogs at AMC Theaters. Heck yeah. Wow, crypto people know way too much about ramen. Oh, God. Pathway. It's a lifestyle, man. It's a lifestyle. Good, bro. I grow food. Not so stupid farmer. Dude, I wish I could grow some food. I don't know about the whole cattle thing, though, man. I don't know if I'd be doing that. I'd be like, oh, this guy's my friend. We have dollar store in Sweden. Everything is priced in Swedish crowns. Now, that is fake news. Nice. When Crypto Rocketeer. Well, what are the prices like at your dollar store there, man? What are the prices like at your dollar store? Hey, brother. Sorry I haven't been busy with work. So what are your thoughts? Of the Federal Reserve and that they raised interest rates? JJ Camacho, man. So to me, it looks like the only explanation for why we're moving higher today, or why we moved higher today, is that the market, all of these analysts were massively incorrect. All of these analysts thought that the market was expecting a 75 basis point increase. We got a 75 basis point increase, and we soared basically another 2.5% from where we were right here. Soared another 2+% on news of a 75 basis point interest rate hike. So to me, when I said I wouldn't be shocked if we saw a 100 basis point rate hike, I think that analysts' expectations were grossly overestimating the market, thinking 75 basis points is what we were going to see. And in all reality, the market was expecting 100 or 125 basis point increase. And therefore, it was good news that we only got 75% or 0.75%. So that's my thoughts on that, man. And then Jerome Powell coming in and talking a bunch of what I think is nonsense about the strength in the labor market. But it seems like they are very focused on the labor market right now, as opposed to the actual economic climate and the fact that interest rates and inflation are basically killing people. when crypto crowns are rather bulky to carry around all the time. Yes, they are, man. I'll take a look at Matic and Engine. All right, source. I will do that. Not not equal to $1. That's for sure. Outdoor Smile. I'm on a lot more. I grow other people's food, but after I take my cut. Nice, Tim. Nothing is $1 at the dollar store in Canada anymore. East Coast, anyways. All $1.25, $2.50, $3.50, and $4. Craziness. Aaron, that is ridiculous. What the heck kind of a dollar store is that? Nice, man. Heck yeah. Clay, what are your thoughts on L-Bank? My gosh, I got to look at everything. So let's take a look real quick here to see if we can see, what is it? Engine? Is that what you, I don't even know where that went. See if we can see Engine real quick. I've never really looked into Engine. I've never really looked into Engine, but they're doing well with the overall crypto market today, up 8%. This graph right here, it doesn't scare me. This graph is typical of everything that we've seen in the cryptocurrency market. You know, they had a nice little gain back here in 2017 into 2018, typical of the cryptocurrency market back then, and steadied off at basically nothing for 2 years with the overall crypto market, and then soaring from 2 cents, maybe even a little lower, basically 2 cents, looks like the low, all the way above $4.50 when everything was running back in October, November of 2021 there, and has been coming down drastically ever since. I love the graph. This part doesn't scare me because this is the same thing that you're going to see in any cryptocurrency project right now, is this decline. So I like the graph, but like I say, I don't know what they do or know anything about the project they got going on. Got to know the troy ounce weight and value of gold all the time too. Remy, in Canada, or what are we talking about? Best hot dog sauce is a 1 block of cream cheese and a 1 can of hot El Pato sauce, very well blended together. Simple as that, Pudgy. That's all you need. Hot sauce and cream cheese. Never tried that, Pudgy. I've never tried that either, man. Your dollar stores sound PG-13. Literally heard the girl at my dollar store say, it's not about what the customer can or can't hear. It's about A, B conversation. I have no idea what's going on. Let's see. Do you own any XRP? I do not own any XRP. My thoughts are they're probably going to get screwed over by the SEC, but nonetheless, I like what Ripple's doing, man. So if Ripple's successful, I think XRP is going to be very successful. Dan, thank you very much for the super chat. Dan says, I was expecting 100 basis points, so it looks like everything is going to be a bull run for now, unless in September a catastrophic interest rate hike happens where I'm buying lots of Ethereum. Now, Dan, that's an interesting outlook on it, Dan. I don't know personally if everything is going to be a bull run from here. Let's get through tomorrow before we kind of lean on that. And then the next thing I want to look at is the inflation rate in August, the August release of the inflation rate. So tomorrow we've got GDP. And unless you're abiding by the newly formed subjective definition of a recession that people are trying to get people to live by, there's a chance that we go into a technical recession tomorrow. And if we do, I don't know if the market is going to like that. If they do, man, I'm with you, okay? If they do, I'm with you. You got to just pull back for a minute and say, yeah, I think it's logical for it to happen this way. The market is clearly making its decision. It's not following what I believe is logical. So we got to let it roll, man. We got to let it roll. So it is an interesting conclusion to come to, but I do believe that the August inflation rate release could be slightly different, and if it rises, people might realize that the increasing interest rates at this rate is not working. And if that happens, I think we could see some further downside. We'll have to try it one day. Homemade dilly dogs are the top. Oh my gosh. Pudgy, I am actually really hungry right now, so you're making me even hungrier. What I miss? Why the bull run? Devil's advocate Jerome Powell came in and just used his soft, soothing voice to calm investors down and tell us that this is the best labor market that we have ever lived through. And no doubt this economy is stronger than people are putting on. That a recession, oh my gosh, we are nowhere near a recession. Recessions are subjective, and we're not even close. So Jerome Powell, speaking smooth today, calming investors down, and allowing the markets to run the way that they are. Bought some EBXY calls for tomorrow. Yen Yang, let's hope it prints for you. It'll be okay. Yes, it will. Dark Matter, you'll love it. But get 2 cans of Albato sauce in case you want to add a little more. I like spice, dude. Well, not Mr. Simon level spice, but I do like the spice. Hold up. I thought Daddy Pal's job was to take away our allowances because we've been bad. He was wild, man. Daddy Pal gave you a little love tap right there today, and he put a little extra in your pocket. Devil's advocate, you got the bonus, man. You got the bonus. Got it, Dark Matter. Heck yeah. What is this? Night radio? Nate F. This is Nighttime Radio, brought to you by Clay Bro. Outdoor Smile. I see your hot dog in the Discord, man. Thank you very much for the hot dog. And Gringo, thank you very much for joining the Discord as well. Guys, 5 minutes left in the stream. 122 of you in here. I see about 50 people in the Discord. It is a free Discord if you want to bring this chat over and just extend it into the night and all that good stuff and have some fun over there. It's a free Discord, so make sure to check it out if you guys want to. Just set it up today, so I'm trying to get as many people as possible in there. Powell needs some spanks. Yes, he is. Click, not losing hope. But if we really hold through all this crap, will we really have all the potential everyone hypes up? Chris, if we're talking specifically for AMC, there is the potential for the squeeze, yes, and everybody's kind of growing and learning from the squeeze as well. Hold on, let me see why. Or growing and learning from these declines as well. Okay, well apparently the camera came back on. I have no idea what's going on with the camera today, but if you're talking about like the crypto world. Yeah, dude, I do believe that crypto in general and stocks in general are both going to do very well once we start to rally again. And by very well, man, I'm talking like 10x gains, dude. I'm talking like 10x gains. And it might be several years down the road before you hit them. But even if you got $1,000 portfolio, man, $1,000 portfolio turning into a $10,000 portfolio is a massive increase. Think about it. If it was in your bank, it'd still be $1,000. If it's growing in the market, $10,000 is $10,000. See you around Soars. Absolutely. Enjoy your evening. Devil's advocate. Thank you for the super chat. Can't afford the Discord, but here's a tip to show some. Oh my God. Devil's advocate. Thank you very much for the super chat, but I'm going to tell you right now, the Discord is free, my friend. You can afford it. I promise. You can afford it. Free is the best price there is. Devil's advocate. Thank you very much for the super chat. Just listen, because of Devil's Advocate, I'm going to make the Discord for free for the next 3 minutes until we end the live stream. So if you guys want to join, make sure to click that link at the top of the chat there and join the Discord. Have some fun with each other. All that good stuff. But yes, this is compliment of Devil's Advocate right here. If you join, it is free. It's always free, guys. But yes, it is free right now. I can't afford it, Simon. I just can't afford it. Can't afford free. Heck no. What's up with the voice chat on the Discord? I have no idea, Congus. I have no idea. Are there people voice chatting right now? I have no idea what they're doing or not. Interviews on NASDAQ tomorrow. Vibor Stratank. I think that the NASDAQ should come down. I thought that we did not receive good information today, but it doesn't seem like the market cares what I think. So if you're looking at the NASDAQ, 12,000 points here, and we pull it out and we see this longer term levels of support and resistance. If we bring this little level in here back up, we can see that we are right at the bottom end of these candles in this range. So I absolutely think that we could see a pullback tomorrow, bouncing off this resistance. Best case scenario, if we do see a follow through, we would test the bottom end of these candles from back in May and the upper end of the trend back here at the end of May, beginning of June. So, we're right here we're tapping these levels that we saw a couple days ago and could provide resistance for us. But if it doesn't, if we're able to break through, we're going to potentially go up about another 1 to 1.5% right here before we reach another level of resistance. So I'd keep my eyes on a pullback either happening here or here. So that's my thoughts on that, man. But like I say, I did not expect, and I can't justify the gain that we saw today in the NASDAQ there. Pull up Bitcoin. Bitcoin doing phenomenally this afternoon, man. Let's see. Click. You excites for the Kong Dynasty or Secret Wars? You even know, bro? No, I have no idea what's going on there with that one. A few weeks ago, Clay said there's no such thing as a free lunch. Now we get this free Discord group. It's all a scam to get us to hype up for Clay to Pan. Yes. Gosh, man. Devil's Advocate is on to me. It's on to me, man. I knew it. Clay, bro, for Sam, please. I got you, AMC Trapper. This, in a turn of events, ladies and gentlemen. This one is from Trapper to Sam, not Sam to Trapper. So, Sam, if you're in here, man, I'm thinking about Trapper, but I am looking at you. Lick and stick technique. You take that banana. You tilt the head back a little bit. You lick. You stick. AMC Trapper, thank you very much. Sam Demand, if you are in here right now. Trapper just gave you a little gift, man. I love it. AMC Trapper, thank you very much, man. Really appreciate the super stickers today. You guys are absolutely awesome. Call options were on fire. My reaction, priceless. Span your call options were up 900+% on the QQQ at some point. So, banana needs to be bigger. Well, I don't know. It might have been Sam's, dude. Might have been Sam's. Pause. Opinions from the couch. Pause. And I'm the real Sam Demand. Number 8 is the real one. I like it. Guys! It is 5:01 already. Veritex, man, thank you for joining the Discord. Really appreciate that. DD214 just landed the Discord, and Veritex in the Discord as well. Shout out to you guys. Thank you very much for being in there. Really appreciate you. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to sign off for now. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link's at the top of the chat. Really appreciate you if you do. Not too much going on there right now, but we'll make something out of it. And so thank you guys in advance for doing that. Get your names in the chat. We'll do some shout-outs, and then we'll be back with videos in 2 hours and videos in 3 hours, man. Sam Demand number 8, thank you for being in here. Pudgy, it's 1 o'clock. I wish it was 1 o'clock right now. Wana, if you're in the chat right now, my goodness, you're incredible. Wana, thank you for everything. Devil's Advocate, AMC Trapper saying, peace out to the Diamond-Handed Apes and the Shiba Army. Opinions from the couch. Sam Demand number 8. Pudgy, Ronaldo, see ya later. Sam Demand from the future, AMC Trapper. Let's see, we got Outdoor Smile, Dark Matter, Chris, Arthur, King Cobra, Shiba Daddy, Nate F, Devil's Advocate, Clay. You should pin the link on... Okay, I can put the link on Twitter as well. Yes, AMC Trapper, Corman, Sam Demand from the future. See you later. DD214, Pudgy, Wangro, Sam Demand from the future. Sam Demand number 8. All the Sam Demands in here. When Crypto Rocketeer, boom, baby, dabbing on him as always. We got Next Level. See you on the Discord. Heck yeah, Next Level. See you later, man. All of you guys. John Noy, yo, what's going on? Shiba Daddy, heck yeah. Remy, Mudslinger, 569 in Texas. See you later, man. All of you guys enjoy your evening, but you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.